The buntline is a common knot that a lot of people struggle with when they're first learning. The buntline is a termination knot. How I teach people to tie it when they're first learning is provide yourself with a bight of rope. This bight of rope is where your carabiner will be placed to have a termination point to connect yourself. I'm going to use the short end of rope or the tail in my right hand, and I'm going to tie a clove hitch onto the rope on my left hand side. So, clove hitch, I'm going to start on top, and then I'm going to finish inside of that bight. So we can see our clove hitch form. One on top, one on bottom. Now this is the bight. It's really important that the tail from your clove hitch is exiting from the half hitch that is inside of the bight and not on the exterior of the bight up here. If it does, that's tied in properly, and when it's sucked down, this top half hitch will not bite. And then if it loosens up, you're sitting there, hanging by just a simple half hitch. So when tying the buntline, make sure that your tail from your clove hitch is exiting inside of the bight where you place your carabiner. So I'm going to go ahead and place a carabiner in here, and I'm going to suck the tail through this and suck it down and show you a set buntline. Now, in order to be extra safe, we're going to go ahead and take this carabiner and we're going to turn it the other way, so that way the tail is not on the same side of our gate. And that is our proper buntline termination hitch.